Hey there, welcome back. Today we're diving into some amazing habits that can help you slow down your biological clock. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Let's get started. Habit number 1, regular exercise. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. Exercise helps boost your metabolism, improve cardiovascular health, and even enhances brain function. So get moving and feel the years melt away. Habit number 2, a balanced diet. Fill your plate with colorful fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Remember, you are what you eat. A healthy diet provides essential nutrients that support your body's functions and combat aging. Habit number 3, stress management. Chronic stress can accelerate aging, so it's crucial to find ways to relax and unwind. Whether it's meditation, yoga, or simply taking a walk in nature, make time for self-care. Habit number 4, quality sleep. Your body does its best, healing and rejuvenating, while you're catching those Z's. Aim for 7-9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night, and wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. Habit number 5, stay hydrated. Water is the elixir of life. It helps flush out toxins, supports a healthy skin, and keeps your organs functioning optimally. So drink up! Habit number 6, foster social connections. Spending quality time with loved ones and maintaining a strong social network can reduce stress levels and promote overall well-being. Plus, it's a lot more fun than aging alone. Habit number 7, keep your brain sharp. Engage in activities that challenge your mind, like puzzles, reading, or learning something new. A stimulated brain stays youthful and agile. And finally, habit number 8, sun protection. UV rays can accelerate aging and increase the risk of skin cancer. So, don't forget your sunscreen when you step out, and rock those stylish shades. And there you have it, folks, 8 habits that can help you turn back the clock. Incorporate these into your daily routine and watch the years melt away. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on healthy living. Until next time, stay youthful and stay fabulous.